In this video, I'll guide you through the process of using your Cash App card to Apple Pay, step by step. To begin, open the Cash App. Once you're signed up and everything is set up, navigate to the Card tab. Here, you'll have the option to design and order your own free physical Cash App card. After it arrives, you can use it for purchases in stores, online, and connect it to Apple Pay. To link your card to Apple Pay, go to the card screen and look for the option that says Add Card to Apple Pay and tap on it. If you don't see this option, tap the personal information icon located in the top right corner, go to Support, and search for Apple Pay. Use the link provided to reach the same setup page. Once you select Add Card to Apple Pay, the process will begin. Tap Next and allow the app to contact the card issuer. Agree to the terms and conditions, and the Wallet app will confirm that your card has been added. You'll also be given the option to set your Cash App card as your default payment method. If you choose not to, simply tap Not Now. That's it. Your Cash App card is now connected to Apple Pay. Once added, you'll find it in the Wallet app, ready to use. Your Cash App card is now successfully linked and ready for payments through Apple Pay.